Marose Mobile Detailing. Beauty is in the details.
Guys, we're doing an auto removal today. So this vehicle also was involved in minor flooding. So right now what we're using is the engine air vacuum, sucking the water out. And then after we're doing the water, suck the water out. After we suck the water out of the carpets, we're gonna do our carpet shampooing and extraction. We're gonna shampoo and extract the seats. The seats look pretty good, but we're just gonna do them anyway because we don't know, with the whole water mill, the smell would have gotten on the seats also. So we're gonna shampoo and extract the seats. And then after we do that, we're gonna do our ozone, turn on our ozone generator, which is a auto removal machine, ozone generator, which creates ozone. We're gonna run that for 15 minutes, and then let it air out for another 45 to 60 minutes. So this really is use the vacuum. The vacuum is doing a pretty good job of sucking out the water, the water that's already like inside the carpet. A little bit of water. I'll show you later the amount of water that we're able to suck out. So it's doing a pretty good job. The vacuum is doing a pretty good job sucking the water out. And then the extractor is gonna sort of recycle the clean water into the carpet. The shampoo and the extractor is gonna do that job, just recycling that water right into just aerating it and just getting in there, deep cleaning. That's essentially what this is, just deep cleaning it. Did the door panels because it is part of the premier interior service, so we did the door panels. That's done. And that also is going to help us with the vacuum. It's going to help us dry the carpet. Oh wow, the carpet is already drying, but we still got to do carpet shampooing and extraction. So carpet and seat shampooing and extraction. So yeah, got some work to do, but car is not in the interior is not in a bad shape. Pretty good shape. Let me get a close up of my brother there. Just vacuuming the floor. Really trying to the rigid vacuum is also like what do you call it again? It's a wet vacuum, right? So it's also effective in sucking out water from the carpet. So that's what he's doing right now, just sucking out that water, like I said. And then we're gonna use our extractor and shampooing too, and then run our ozone generator. So I'll show you. Let me shut up the display and show you some of the water that he already sucked out. Show you some of the water. Yeah, so much you want in here. So let's show you some of the water that we're able to suck out with the. Yeah. See that? That's what the vacuum is doing, just sucking out all that water. So that's gonna, that water is not good if it dries on your carpet. It's gonna leave a lot of smell. You don't know, this is groundwater. You don't know what type of quality it is. It's not good. It's not gonna be good. So we'll get back to this when we start doing the extraction in there. got the generator running. Carpet's already there. Drying. Gonna extract the carpets here. So we just already shampooed them and did all that to them. So all we need to do is just extract them. The LVP. It's all purpose. That's what we use on the door panels. The LVP, we use it on the leather vinyl surfaces. LVP cleaner. So, alright guys, let's get back to cleaning, and then I'll come back when we do the extraction. So right now we're not actually vacuuming, like I explained. We are using because it is a wet vacuum, so it sucks out water too. So that's what we're doing right now. And it's doing a very, very effective job of sucking out the water from the carpet due to the flooding. So you can even see it rained today. So we have our tent up. So we have our little tent up. It was just raining a little bit a couple of minutes ago. It's gonna rain today, 72% chance of rain. So this allows us to still continue working. This is it's an interior job, interior detail. So we don't really need, not doing anything on the exterior. So just trying to get the water from the carpet, from the flooding. Like I was saying earlier, guys, this car got flooded. Minor flooding from the rain that we had probably three 2 days ago, from the big rain we had. A lot of flooding happened in our area. And we're located in New Jersey, so a lot of the cars, unfortunately, this one got water in it. So what we're doing today is we're doing a odor removal treatment. Essentially, we do a copper shampooing and extraction. After we do the extraction, we'll run our ozone machine, ozone generator machine. We run that for a predetermined amount of minutes. For this one, we're gonna run it for 15 minutes. And then after that, the client also is okay with us doing the air treatment. So we're gonna do our air treatment, which is literally like an air freshener. So let's show you real quick. I showed you before. I like showing you the water. Look at that. Look at all that dirty water. All right, that's all from the carpet. So when we do our carpet and shampooing and extraction, it's gonna just put clean water back into the carpet and then extract it, and that's gonna leave the car smelling real nice. And then we're gonna run our ozone machine. So we always recommend doing that in conjunction, doing the ozone machine and also doing carpet shampoo and extraction if you're doing odor removal. That's an effective tool in getting that job done. Yeah, these are awesome. So doing carpet shampooing right there. Just did the front. Gonna do all parts of the carpet, of course. And they'll use the mighty extractor to just emptied out there's some of the extractors, some of these. That. Strong and mighty. Do the job. That's the guy. That work. Give me that area horizontal.
That's good, right?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
So this is the air sanitizer Ozone air sanitizer treatment. We use this for our odor removal. So we run this first. We run the ozone machine. Like I said, we always recommend do carpet, seats, shampooing. That has already been done. And then after that, you run the ozone machine. And after you run the ozone machine, the predetermined amount of minutes or hours, depending on the extent of the odor, then you use this to sanitize the air. Use this to sanitize the air, and combination of that is very, very effective. Very, very effective in treating any embedded odors, any type of odors, in fact. So that's what we're doing. Letting the car air out. Have the timer set. Right now, we set it for 30 minutes, the timer. Let me see, what is it right now? So 60 minutes and counting. 60 minutes and counting. T minus 60 minutes and counting. Just to let the ozone dissipate, air out, get out the vehicle. Let the oxygen just repatriate, re-enter the vehicle, and then we're gonna treat it. We're gonna do the air sanitizer, air treatment to just make it smell good, things like that. So it's looking really good. Looking really good. Dash, everything has been cleaned, and then you do the vinyl conditioner, everything there, the LVP vinyl conditioner, all that. The side panels are all done. The glasses are cleaned also. You can see it, but glasses are clean. That is part of interior detailing service. Any services that we do in general, we do clean the glasses. So yeah, it's looking really good. Yeah, you just hearing my client, my brother in the background, just keeping our client busy. Just always have conversations with our client. That's what we do. We talk to our clients. That's essentially what we do.
Stay tuned. Follow us on Instagram. Visit our website www.morosemobiledetailing.com. Morose Mobile Detailing. Beauty is in the details.